Go.
So this is the prototypical app, and when I select Nina, I can say things, and this one's wired up to San Francisco. Where's the closest ATM?
Here are the closest ATMs.
Okay. What is my checking account balance?
Your checking balance is $8,345.90.
So at the first level, you can use a simple navigation. And again, I'm not having to click through a couple of different layers. I can just immediately go to it. All of this logic is in the app. I can touch my way to where the ATMs are located. I can touch my way to my account balance. With this, when I say we flatten the app down, I can just say it and it jumps right to where I want to go with that. Now I can go a little bit deeper and start moving into what we call transactions. Pay a bill.
What bill would you like to pay?
My Visa bill.
How much would you like to pay?
The statement balance.
I'll pay $150 from your checking today. Okay?
And as I said, it can be multimodal. I can touch it.
It's set up.
Now that was a customer interaction. One could actually envision that I call up the call center and the contact center, and I go through the same thing. But I wouldn't do that with a person, right? I wouldn't say the person would I'd ring up and they'd say, "How may I help you?" "I'd like to pay a bill." I'm like, "Okay, what bill would you like to pay?" "I'd like to pay my bill." I wouldn't do that. What I would say is more like this. Pay my Visa bill in full next Thursday from savings.
I'll pay $175 from your savings Thursday. Okay?
And I could say on Thursday from savings, pay my Visa bill. So I can say it whatever way I would normally say it. And our technology does a lot of things, but there's two fundamental things that it does. The first is it actually understands the request. And it turns out people ask for things, they ask for the same thing in many different ways. And if you actually have the data of listening to people, like doing an airplane reservation or requesting information from a bank, having the data that actually shows how different ways people ask for the same thing allows you to understand what's being asked. Once you understand what's being asked, then you're able to turn that into, okay, how do we deliver the right answer back? But it turns out that getting the request right is the hardest part of making these systems work. And we do very well at that type of activity.